Number one, you came and swept the lawn. Number two, put out Humachar. Number three, we put out the fungicide. Number four, we put out the bugicide. Number five, PGF complete. Okay. Then six, you went and cleaned out the tomato beds.
Cherry tomatoes.
Number seven, you cleaned up the squash plants.
Yes.
Number eight, you cut the front.
Yeah.
Number nine, you blew all that stuff while I edged. So I'm exhausted from all her work. This will answer a question that a lot of people have. Can I put this product down with this product down with this product? And the answer is basically yes. You can put everything you want down the same day. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of that. The good witch is here. She's taking a break because you know what I had her do first before I got here?
Sweep the yard.
It's a long story, but Cassie has a double ear infection, so I had to take her to the vet. So she came over. I said, why don't you start sweeping the yard? So she's been out here pushing the lawn sweeper around, which is a kick butt job. So she's already tired. But last week I sort of tweaked my knee, so I just can't do all this walking. So she's going to put out all the products. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put out, so hold on. Don't chase the bees. Did you go to the doctor? Hey, what did the doctor say to you? I don't care. I just want to kill stuff. She's sneezing.
Pollen, I swear.
She got the Rona.
I swear.
She got the Rona.
Pollen.
12 feet. 12 feet. Rona girl. All right, so today I'm going to use the Ag Fab, which is the larger of the spreaders, and so I don't have to keep filling it. And basically, here's what I'm doing. This is for barbs, Humachar, disease, fungus, bugs, fertilizer. So basically, I'm going to have her do all the applications right now. The next 5 days, it's like 50% chance of thunderstorm, so it's a perfect time to put it down. We cut it short the other day. So it's all going down all at one time, all within an hour probably we'll get it all down. That's how we're gonna do it. So what I'm gonna do, this is one of my little tricks, is like if I have to go up to the front entrance to do something, this is how I do it. I put it all on my tailgate and I slice it open and put it in. As I go through, I adjust all my slot openings. This is a single slot spreader, but it has a nice big hopper. Basically all I'm gonna do is and you can put out Humachar as heavy as you want. Doesn't matter how heavy you put it out. Turn your yard black if you want. Telling Jess is each one of these products will have a different pellet velocity. So the spread's going to be a little bit different on it, and that's the only thing you need to adjust. So how far? Is it 36 inches? How far is it throwing? And so she'll need to adjust her lines based on the product as well too. But what we want to do is we want to get Humachar down here. We want to get the fungicide down here. We want to get the bug killer down here. And we want to get fertilizer all in the same day. We're going to put every single thing down at once. All right, so that's done. I actually went and put on my knee brace. I went and put on my knee brace. My knee's been throbbing for 2 days. I'm twisting it. So now we're gonna do the granular fungicide. So I have to adjust my spreader setting because it's really fine. So I'm gonna adjust this. Do the other side. Unless you want to stare at my ass while I do this. But again, this is a really fine DG particle. So as soon as it rains, it's just going to disperse. Matter of fact, do I want to do two, or do I want to do, I think I'm going to need to do both bags. Let me get another one. She got a lot of crap going on over there. All right, next we're gonna do bugs. Don't want to change it too much. People always ask me for what number I'm setting this on, and I'm telling you, the numbers never match up based on how you assemble these things. So like Humichar, you know, just under 1/2 inch. I really throw it out hard. For the granular fungicide, just under 1/4. The double kill for bugs, just under 1/4. And we'll be putting out PGF Complete at about 1/4 inch. This also, I'm gonna have her start. We have more issues with bugs on the back because it's all covered with woods. So we're gonna have her start in the back and on the side just in case she runs out. The front is never that bad, but the back and the side. So same thing, start in the back, work your way around. So just so you understand what's going on here, this used to be basically mud and weeds, and we transformed this into a nice Bermuda lawn. We just got off a drought and we had to scalp it. That's why it looks so bad. Asked her if she's getting tired. She said, ask me tomorrow. We'll see how those legs feel. Again, this is middle of the summer. It's boiling hot, and we're putting on a light coat of PGF Complete. Tiny, tiny particles. That's everything. Everything down, all in one day. I need to do the same thing at the entrance. But yeah, I mean, you can put everything down all in one day. You're not going to hurt anything. And just so you know, we're probably going to do a late season scalp on the front. Here comes the trash truck. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to scalp the front down and do some leveling out here next week. So you do not want to miss this. This is going to be a big project. So hit that subscribe button. It's either there or there. It's just getting a little bit longer than I want to manage it because of this drought we had. So we're gonna scalp it down. We're gonna level. We're gonna put down PGF Complete, Humichar, and water it, and let it come back up. And I think we're gonna start cutting this at about 1/2 inch too. I gotta hand it to her. The Good Witch is one of the hardest workers I got. Then now she's cutting the front.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. But you can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night, you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night, you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk by you? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night, you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night, you just keep talking.
Man, I gotta tell you. Man, she has really helped out this year. The Good Witch really is a hard worker, man. She really works her butt off. But in this heat, you got to be careful. You got to drink a lot of water. Couple things coming up. I'll decide whether I'm going to do the front scalp or not. I'll let you guys know that. The putting green, the green has finally started to germinate again. Of course, we put down dwarf bent, dwarf blue, creeping. That's finally starting to germinate. Well, I'll give you an update on that. If you don't have the Bermuda Lawn Guide, get the Bermuda Lawn Guide, dude. It's free. Just use it. But the back just looks absolutely amazing. I mean, it really does look amazing. Now I put down some more growth regulator on the back here. What was it, yesterday or day before yesterday? I did that spreader video. So it should be kicking in about now, and I'm going to come out and probably cut it a little bit tomorrow. But this afternoon, we're finally back to these afternoon thunderstorms. Next week, we've got 60% chance every single day of afternoon thunderstorms, and that's the pattern I like to see. I don't care how hot it is. What I care about is am I getting a natural deep rain? If I get a natural deep rain, man, Bermuda will just go nuts. It just loves the heat as long as it's got water. I'm tired. I'm going to go inside. Talk to you later. Bye.